Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you what's new in the shop this week. And there's 4 different things, but they're all related. So the last time we released some tiny letters, it was in a rectangle and it came with a black font and a white font. And again, these are all available in bundles or individual. These are a digital print, so you can print them as many times as you want. And the size of the circle is 3/8 circle, so you can punch it out with a small circle punch. Or if you have a cutter like a Cricut or a Brothers Scan and Cut, you can cut these out. And what you would do is what's called a half cut. So it doesn't cut all the way across, like all the way through. It just cuts the top layer and then it stays on the sticker sheet. I haven't done that yet, but I think I'm going to take some downstairs today and try to get some ready. So I'll show you all the colors. And what I did was I didn't print all the colors for, the black text and the white text. I tried to print all the colors between the 4. And then that way you get a sample of all the colors that we have. We have 26 different colors for the tiny letters. So the brown will have a dark brown and a light brown. The pink would have a light pink and a light pink, and so on and so forth. So this is the same font that we used as this one, except it's on the circle. So we have the 3/8 circles with the black text. So this is red and peach, light brown, yellow 1, I think it is. And I think this is light gray 1. And then we got the numbers done right away. So the black text circles would be 1 bundle, or you can get them separately. And then the number with the black text is also available in its own bundle or separately. So we have the dark pink, the turquoise, and again, all these colors are all in the black text. I just didn't print them all at once because that would have been like almost 200 that I would have had to print out at once. So I just printed 20 of them. And then the green number 1, this is the brown number 2, and this is blue number 1. And then right away we are releasing the white text. So you have the black text and then you have the white text also on the circle. So we have the brown, the darker turquoise or the lighter turquoise, dark brown, a dark orange, and then you have the white text, and this is the light pink, the blue pink, the dark green, the peach, and the blue. Like I said, I might have missed some colors to print, but all our regular colors are all, we have a color palette and we use it for all the different embellishments. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you for these letters, we did them on an A4, and that's 8 1/4 by 11 3/4. So we did also offer in there an 8 1/2 by 11 just to give the option. And the circles are a little smaller, but I said to my son, do it anyway. It just leaves a tiny, tiny white border, and I find it looks okay. So like there's barely any border on it. And then that way it'll give almost like a border all the way around it. Or you can use some inks and color it in. But I really enjoyed it because there was like a little white border all the way around, and I thought on some pattern paper that might stick out quite nicely. So you know, when you buy the one file, you get the A4 size and you get the 8.5 by 11, just so that you have some choices. And then where these are digital files, I just want to mention that, you know, you don't just need to print it on some cardstock. You can print it, well, this is cardstock. The letters, I always seem to print them on sticker paper. And so I decided to print some labels on some sticker paper. So you can tell. So basically, these labels now are stickers. I can just cut them out by hand, or again, use a machine to cut them out. And then I took some of my vellum, and this is cardstock weight vellum. When I tried the regular vellum, it printed okay from here down, but the first part kind of made a mess. But the cardstock vellum, which is a thicker vellum, really printed nicely. So I printed some of our viewfinders on there, and I really like, you know, that's a new embellishments. Now I can make as many vellum embellishments that I want. I can print, you know, my arrows on the vellum, and it's going to totally look like a different embellishment. Or the labels, I printed some labels on the vellum, and again, it looks like a different embellishment. So with one digital file, just by changing what you know, the medium that you printed on, you can make that one file go a long way. So if you are interested, I always have the link in the description box below, or you can go to NicoleJones91.com and go to the store and embellishments, and all the embellishments are there in a single file, or you can get the bundles at a discount. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.